Open computer. Right-click Downloads. Click on Properties. Click on Location. Click on Move. Now choose a folder you want to have the new location. For this video I created an example folder. Let's open it and click Select Folder. Now my example folder is the new download location on Windows. Click Apply and click Yes. Now we change the location of the download folder on the computer. To move the download location to its original place, select it, right-click it, click Properties, click Location, and click on Restore Default, and click Apply, and click Yes. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.